Hello, how are you? So I'm making this for you to make it simple and give you more options where you are busy or you're on the road or basically you run out of food or you're tired of eating the same thing over and over. Okay? I don't want to make jokes, but this is one joke for you. If it was pizza, you wouldn't be tired. If it was burgers, you wouldn't be tired either, right? Or chocolate cake. We got into this program, and I'm here to help you to achieve your goals, to change your lifestyle. And yes, you can eat chocolate cake. Yes, you can eat pizza. Yes, you can eat burgers. Yes, you can eat chocolate bars. But as we've been talking about in our first consultation, and all these days since you started the program with me, it's very important to follow the program to the T, at least for 7 days. So that seventh day, you can have one cheat meal, one something here and there, a couple glasses of wine, because this is a program to change your lifestyle. It's a program to teach you how to eat the right way, eat delicious, so you don't miss other meals that are not healthy, and also make the right choices when you go to a restaurant, when you go on vacations, so you can understand and having your mindset different options that are healthy and fit your macros for the day. Okay, so these are different options and alternatives to replace the carbohydrates in your diet. Okay, it is always important to follow your meal plan as written. So I have better data and more accuracy to make the changes needed after or on your next checking. Okay? So, very simple. If you do everything correctly, when I take your measurements in 15 days, I have better data because you didn't eat this and that and all over the place. If you eat the same thing every day and what's on your plan on day one, day two, day three, or the ones that if you have a plan that is always the same, you can make different changes on the recipes you cook your meals. I'm not asking you to eat hospital food, okay? Make them nice, make them colorful, and you will never feel that you're following a diet anymore. That's what I call my nutritional programs meal plans, meal program. It's never a diet because diet means restriction. And we're not on a restrictive calorie intake. We are eating the nutrients we need to change your body composition, lose weight, lose fat, get in shape, and build muscle, which is important to change your metabolism to burn calories 24 hours. Okay, so if you skip one meal, it's not going to happen. Because if you skip one meal, as I explained you in the other video, and hopefully you watch that video because I'm making these videos for you to help you. And that's why you're paying big money. Okay, to understand, to learn, to change your body forever. When you're 70, 75 years old, you're strong, walking straight, and with quality of life. Okay? So if you skip one meal, you got into a calorie deficit. And you're gonna lose weight, but you're also going to lose muscle. We need to build muscle for strength, for stamina, to burn more calories, to look full and nice and walk straight with your chest up, your chin up, and for longevity. All right? So most of you have sweet potatoes, white rice, or potato. On a 4 ounce baked potato or sweet potato or 4 ounces of white rice, equals about 35 grams of carbs, give or take. Okay? So you can make your own choices. If you have sweet potato, but you're tired or you don't want to eat sweet potato, or you don't have the sweet potato with you, you can bake a potato or you can make some white rice. It equals about the same. All right? So no big deal. Also equals 5 plain rice cakes. So the rice cakes, that one that's there on the screen. Lightly salted rice cakes. Okay? Not the ones with butter or cinnamon and maple or sugar and stuff like that. Those are delicious, but those are not the ones that are gonna help you, right? So lightly salted rice cakes. What you can do with that? Okay, grab your tuna, mix it with mustard, put it on top, and eat 5 plain rice cakes. It's gonna fill you up. So you're not gonna tell me, "Oh, I'm hungry," because 5 plain rice cakes with tuna on top and a little mixture with some vegetables and or salad or whatever you want to put in there with mustard, it's going to fill you up very well. You're going to feel full for a couple hours. Or 2 medium soft tortillas. What can you do with the tortillas? Okay, the same thing. You put some rotisserie chicken from Publix, put some lettuce, tomatoes, ketchup, mustard, roll it, eat it. Boom. 2 medium soft tortillas. So you're not going to tell me you're hungry after that. All right? And you're getting about 32, 35, 30 grams of carbs for that meal. So again, you can replace sweet potato, white rice, baked potato, light salted rice cakes, tortillas, or packet pita flatbreads. 2 packet pita flatbreads equals about 32 grams of carbs. So all these carbohydrates, these ones and these ones, are about the same. So it makes that your life easier, depending on where you are, or if you want to treat yourself differently that day at home or in the street. You're in the street, stop by Publix, buy rotisserie chicken, buy ketchup, buy mustard, boom, right there in your car. Make 2 flour tortillas. Boom, delicious. Instead stopping at a place where you know you're gonna cheat on your meal plan. Okay, so this could be you. Mike lost 50 pounds in 5 months. Rosa lost also 30 pounds in 16 weeks. 30 pounds in 16 weeks. He doesn't want me to disclose his face. He's a famous guy. Okay? She used to come to the gym before, and now she stayed in shape. 20 days, she lost all these rolls. Didn't lose 1 pound. She was 132 pounds, stayed at 132 pounds, but lost all the rolls. You see her butt is up. Here. These are results in 16 weeks. He gained 10 pounds. He was 190 pounds, and here is 200 pounds. And she didn't lose any weight. She just reshaped her entire body in 6 weeks. Very, very, very cool. Okay? So, fast results and lasting change. You sign up for a program that has a multi-phase lifestyle program. It's a multi-phase lifestyle program focusing on fat burning, body toning, lifestyle habits, building muscle. Whatever you need of your new goal is, let me know. I'm your guy. I'm your accountability. I'm the expert. And I've been studying for 33 years to help you reach your goal. Okay? Any goal. If you have a friend that has cancer, osteoporosis, any illness, triple bypass, gastric bypass, I'm ready to help your family members and your friends. Not only to look good, to feel good, no, to bring them back to life. Okay? So we do the weekly check-ins. Every time we do the check-ins, we take decisions to make changes to your meal program. If the program is working, we keep it the same. If it's not broken, don't try to fix it, right? So if you're traveling, let me know so I can give you access to my online portal. You have complete training videos, full routines, simple recipes. I have, well, I guess you receive or you are going to receive my recipe or my clean eating recipe book, okay? And one thing that not most of you are not taking advantage of is the gym opens 24 hours. The days you don't train with me, you should come to the gym to do cardio, abs, calves, lower back. We train you the main muscular groups, the main muscle groups. So we know exactly we're stimulating your entire body, but you need to do something extra the days you don't come with us, okay? Unless I tell you to don't do it, you should be coming to the gym. Opens 24 hours and the gym offers free spinning, Zumba, hip hop, cardio squat, butts and goats, yoga, Pilates. Everything is included for free. And now, most importantly, when your program is expiring, we're gonna sit down and plan your next steps, okay? Your next phase maintenance plan for a long-term success. You see the people are training with you in the mornings and the afternoons. They've been with me for 3, 4, 6, 7 months, 12, 2 years. Okay, why? Because it works. So there is no reason why it's not gonna work for you. Okay, don't take it so seriously. This gotta be part of your life. When you come to the gym with a smile, wow, I'm going to the gym. Doesn't matter if it's early or it's late or you're tired or you have a lot of stress. As soon as you start hitting the weights, trust me, the best workouts I had in my life and you're gonna have in your life are the workouts that you didn't wanna go to train that day. Okay? So if you have any questions, just text me. You know, I'm ready. I answer right away. I'm Mr. Accountability. Thank you.